Luke Vernon. Vernon.
Give and go action. Prieto, the fake. Prieto, the basket. Finally.
Very.
Folheres team. Andrew. Off the glass. Sablay. Niluwa pa yung bola.
Grabe yung speed nitong si Andrew. Kaya lang yung finishing tayo nagkakaproblema.
Ayun, Nathan Singy showing them how it's done. Another possession given by Pascual to his team. Kanila pa din ang bola, courtesy of Sanchez. Singy. And there it is. Off the glass, Nathan Singy.
Nathan Jimenez. Ganda pa ng follow through niya after.
Minute and 20. That jump stop works for Philip Adrias.
Good fundament.
Kung experience at experience lang, ando dun.
Oo. Speaking of experience, to si John Andrew Mendoza has been getting a lot of rebounds. So, kitang-kita yung gulang na nitong batang to when it comes to positioning inside. Already, I think that's the 10th point of Mendoza in this game.
He extends the lead to double digits. Prieto, Pascual the fake, Pascual the basket.
Good interior passing there between the bigs of Las Piñas. That was Prieto.
Now counted play of the quarter. There you see it. The patience on Pascual.
Good use there of the pump fake.
And he converts ito kay Gascon.
They've got a few of those mga point blank misses, no? So they gotta work on those.
Look at Mendoza, kaso na itapon din niya yung bola. Sanchez, all the way!
The Sanchez.
As Kalipay will miss. Under 2 minutes remaining. Dalimoco on the bump, the fake of the glass. A minute and 9 seconds remaining. Nagkabanggaan yung dalawang magkampe. Sanchez, the gather, the layup is short.
Daming mga transition layups being missed by Las Piñas.
Dalimocon, and he gets fouled.
That was another one. Could have had a 3-point play, leading to that easy layup.
Sanchez. And the short jumper is in for Philip Adrias.
Leaking out on the fast break.
And they get another stop. Kalipay, bumitin! At hinuli ni Sanchez. Emphatic block.
Yes, smothered there. That was Lucas Sanchez with the emphatic block. Ang pinamblock yung dibdib eh.
Kita mo naman, bumitbit itong si Kalipay. Not in my house. Siyempre, Las Piñas din itong Divine Light eh. As Sanchez showing him how it's done. Well, that's Philip Adrias rather. Short jumper won't go for Ian Galliano. Gascon off the glass, and that one is good.
Making sure.
6:35, Mendoza.
Good tap there. That was Sanchez with the steal.
They have the numbers. Pascual, the fake. Pascual, sablay, pero kanila pa din ang bola. Gascon out to Sanchez. And there's a foul. In transition are the troop hoops. Prieto. Now it's with Nathan Singy against Mendoza. Singy bumitin. Pinandapat. Lamang na ang Las Piñas ng isa. 38-37.
Singy performing well for Las Piñas. Already with 7 points.
Also playing spectacularly for Las Piñas. Philip Adrias, basket and one.
Already with 15 points. Top scoring for both teams. Itong si Philip Adrias.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted play of the quarter. Is with Las Piñas as they get another steal. Nathan Singy.
Nathan Singy, the main catalyst here for this comeback by Las Piñas in the third quarter.
Philip Adrias won't make it. Prieto He fades. He won't make it. Hindi nga lang papasok. Pero may foul.
Fast break finishes.
Mendoza. Off target. Nahuli rin yata yun.
Seemed unsure of what he was going to do there. Either shoot or go in despite the best efforts there of, was it Sanchez who was trying to defend?
Gascon nadulas pero nandun yung kampi niya. It's
Right
Prieto.
place at the right.
Mendoza na naman in transition. 2 guys to beat. Mendoza gets blocked!
At may konting flex action pa dun. Itong si Philip Adrias.
I can't blame him. I can't blame him.
Good.
Philip Adrias.
A good sign of sportsmanship there right after.
Chased that one to perfection. With a subtle flex after.
How appropriate here. These two players.
As they go
Charge himself, no, scoring that 3-point basket.
after that, yung flying kiss. He blows a kiss to the fans.
Papunta yata kay Daphne yung flying kiss.
Ball is in the hands of Nathan Singi.
Converted to a 1-3-1.
Nathan has it, down to 5. Singi on the move. Tough shot, pero may foul. And that has to be frustrating if you're Mindoro. Somehow, dahil 3 offensive rebounds.
Parang may takip yung rim doon.
Kalipay.
Uy! Parang nadula si Kalipay doon.
De Guzman, sablay. Tapi ka ng bola. Up ahead. Philip Adrias cuts the lead to just 1.
Credit Gascon there for being able to tap that ball.
Singi. Prieto on the move to the cutting
Oh.
ads.
Could have traveled there, but
Gotten away. He cuts the lead.
Prieto asking for a movement from his teammates. Almost getting called for inbounding violation there.
Singi has it. Prieto puts it up, overshoots. Offensive rebound. Basket and beyond. Philip Adrias once again.
The man of the moment.
Jimenez, it's down to 10. Kalipay from the left wing, and it's a miss.
Kalipay has been short on a couple of attempts here for Mindoro.
Adrias na naman using that sidestep. Adrias can't get it to go, but there's a foul on Mendoza.
That change of pace, na step.
14 years old, 14 under pa lang.
Yeah.
Ang daming division.
As you see, a traveling call there by a referee. Good call.
Maraming fans talaga, coach, palagi ang 14 and under kesa doon sa mga mas matatanda.
Oo, nandun yung support pa ng mga parents eh. Mga babies pa nila to.
Is Nathan Singi. Hangs and finishes. Ties the game at 60.
Making amends for that earlier turnover, Nathan Singi.
Peace. Let's take a look at this one. The steal. And the hang from Las Piñas. Diego Adrias, their leading scorer. Phillips sets up a squad, smokes the layup. But they get the ball back. Nathan Singi drives baseline. And Adrias finishes the play.
Good job there by Nathan Singi, giving the ball into the Las Piñas teams.
And it's a miss. Tied at 62. One minute remaining.
Good cut there by Adrias.
His new squad. Give and go action na naman. Quick play. Can't convert. There's Adrias coming up with a miss, but they get the ball back. Philip gets fouled.
Yeah, found himself too deep underneath there. Kaya lang matatawagan ng foul doon ng Mindoro.
And he misses the second. Cans the offensive rebound. Under 30 seconds remaining. Singi. Adrias. Gets it to go.
Huge possession there for Las Piñas.
2 to tie, 3 to take the lead.
I think they're looking for a 3 here.
Mendoza now to Jimenez, quick trigger. Won't go!
That was a good shot actually. Jimenez was wide open. Medyo late pa nga yung pasa ni Mendoza doon.
And Philip Adrias gets fouled.
Yeah, I think that play was really for Jimenez.
Mendoza, they need a 3. De Guzman puts it up for the tie. Won't go! Went down to the very last possession.
That was a very difficult shot to make for Luke De Guzman, falling away with 2 defenders on him.
What a game! Oh my goodness!
And there's a rule in basketball, in sports in general. Don't do anything great if you can't take the celebration. And that's what's happening. That's what's happening to Prieto right now.